Hello, Gemini. Hi, let's do a mock job interview.
All right, sounds like fun. What kind of position are you interviewing for? And do you want me to be a super tough interviewer or a bit more relaxed?
Okay, please act as a professional HR interviewer for a field engineer position. Ask me one question at a time and wait for my answer. Let's start with a self-introduction, including my strength and weakness.
Understood. To begin, could you please tell me about yourself, highlighting the key strengths that make you a strong candidate for this position, as well as an area where you feel you have room for professional development?
Okay, my biggest strength is my analytical thinking, especially in solving technical problems. I'm also responsible and detail oriented.
That's great to know. Could you give me a specific example of a technical problem you've encountered, how you analyzed it, and what the solution was? Also, just to prompt you again, what would you say is a weakness you're working to develop?
Okay, during my internship with Indonesia Power, I encountered an issue where a motor in the vacuum pump system experienced high temperature and overcurrent. My task was to help analyze the cause of this problem and find a possible
I
solution.
see. So you were assisting with the analysis of a motor problem. What steps did you take to help analyze it? And what did you find were the potential causes?
To address this, I collect operating data such as current and temperatures and compare them with the motor's nominal specification. I also reviewed the road condition and found that the motor was operating beyond its capacity.
That's a logical approach. Comparing data to specs is a smart move. So you determined the root cause was overloading. Once you identified that, what were your recommendations to solve the problem? And did any follow up work confirm the fix?
Okay, as a result, we conclude that the motor capacity and consider upgrading it to prevent further overheating.
Yes, that makes sense. Now, to complete that part of the question, could you tell me about an area where you feel you have room for development? Maybe a particular software, or perhaps public speaking, and how you're working to improve that?
Room for development, I work on
Precisely.
maintenance
An area where you see potential for growth or improvement. I
file
understand that
capacity.
analytical thinking is a strength of yours. However, we were discussing an area for development earlier. Could you share something you're working to improve? Perhaps a different skill?
This experience improved my ability to analyze real technical problem and strengthen my problem solving skills.
Understood. And that's valuable that the experience helped you in those areas. Now, shifting focus to your weaknesses, could you name one you're working on and how you plan to address it?
Okay, my for my weakness, I sometimes focus too much on details, but I manage it by setting priorities and time targets.
That shows good self awareness. And setting priorities and targets is a practical way to manage that. Moving on, why are you interested in this particular position? And what do you know about our company?
I'm motivated to learn and ready to contribute as a field engineer on this company.
That's great to hear. And that kind of motivation is certainly appreciated. To follow up, what specifically about this role or our company do you find most appealing? And what do you hope to gain from it?
Maybe I would like ask a question.
Certainly. What question do you have for me?
Uh, yes, could you describe what a typical day looks like for a field engineer in this company?
Generally, your day would start by reviewing your task list, which could involve going to a site for equipment installation, conducting maintenance, or troubleshooting issues. You'd also communicate with clients on progress, work with your team, and ensure safety standards are met. There's quite a bit of problem solving involved, as you might have seen during your internship. Alrighty, it was good talking with you, Berninda. We'll be in touch regarding next steps. Thank you for your time today.
I'm so waiting for the